In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wix Studio CMS. Whether you're an experienced web designer or just starting your journey, Wix Studio CMS is a powerful tool that can help you take your website to the next level. We'll start by navigating through the Wix Studio interface and build our way up to creating and managing content collections. First, let's head over to Wix Studio by opening your web browser and entering the URL for the Wix Studio editor. Once there, you'll find the dashboard where you manage all aspects of your website. The interface is designed to be intuitive, making it easy to find your way around even if you're a new user. On the dashboard, look for the CMS section. Clicking on this will grant you access to the content management system. The CMS is like the brain of your website, where you store all kinds of content, from images to text and beyond. It's essentially the place where all your creative ideas come together, allowing for greater control and flexibility over the content you present on your site. Next, you'll want to click on the option labeled Main. This will guide you into the primary section where much of your CMS functionality is centered. It's here that you'll start to engage with the tools that give shape to your website's content structure. As you proceed, you'll see an option to start with a preset. Think of presets as your ready-made templates. With these, you can quickly align your content with the aesthetics you envision without having to build everything from scratch. Starting with a preset can save you a lot of time and keep your website's design consistent and professional. Once you've selected a preset, you may opt to start by adding your content. This is where you begin to populate your site with the rich, engaging content that will draw in your audience, like images, write-ups, and more. The goal here is to bring your site to life with compelling material that aligns with your brand's message and appeals to your visitors. Continuing on, click on Your Collections. In Wix CMS, collections serve as your database to categorize and organize your content efficiently. By structuring your content into collections, you make it searchable and more manageable, which is especially beneficial if your site depends on a myriad of information, such as a blog or portfolio site. Finally, to wrap up this process, create a new collection. Hit Create Collection and you're on the path to defining how data is stored and retrieved. This is an excellent way to keep your site dynamic and organized, allowing you to present information in a structured manner while facilitating ease of access for your users. By following these steps, you will have made significant progress in mastering Wix Studio CMS. With practice, you'll find managing your website's content becomes more intuitive and rewarding, enabling you to focus more on creativity and less on